looking. All of your exes with lessons in. We'll talk about them again. You keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in. Well, I guess that you're right. But fake it's been never my type. And I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life. You're different than them.
What is up, guys? Sonduren Canadian Rider. Today we're in a Honda S2000. So my buddy actually picked this up. We're 152,000 kilometers on the car, and it's got a shit ton of mods on it. So he picked it up with my other buddy Kenny, and this is my first time seeing it. It's crazy. Holy shit! Is this an AP1 or AP2? AP1. AP1 S2000. So I had the AP1, you guys know that. I had the 2002. Here we go, we're gonna rip it again here.
Are we?
Yeah, we are. Are we? Yeah, we are. Woo! Here we go. Get some rev action. What do you guys think of the S2000? It's honestly really nice. For the price that he got it for, the mods on it, the mods are at least, I'd say 15K in mods. That's a lot of stuff. And then they got him also all the stock OEM parts. So everything that was OEM here. So this is a front lip. You got, is this a AP2 front end?
Yeah.
AP2 front end. The Volk rims. The spoon brakes. So the spoon brakes are really expensive. I know that when I was looking for my S2000. I think that was running like what, 4,000 Canadian? For the brake package, yeah?
I'm not sure.
I think it was 4K Canadian for the brake package. What body kit is this?
Has Jay's front fenders.
Jay's front fenders.
Circuit garage rear over fender.
Yo, it's pretty aggressive here with the body kit. It's really aggressive. And then the wing is just huge. Wing's massive. And the hardtop, how much are hardtops? Like 2K? More? Like 3,000? More? How much are these hardtops? Expensive, huh? Holy shit. What exhaust is on this?
Huh?
What exhaust is on this?
Granny single exit.
Pretty badass for the price that he got it for. Pretty badass. Oh, it'd be a shame if he parted this out. Oh no. Just an FYI for all the haters out there thinking that this might be a fake hardtop. Nah, chance, bro. It's straight spoon. You could probably see it here. I'm gonna try to zoom in. You see that? There it is. I know hardtops were expensive. I just didn't realize how expensive they were. Probably 3K, maybe even 4K Canadian. It's pretty crazy. So, the question is, should he part it out or should he keep it? Please let me know in the comments below. I want him to read this so he can feel the guilt of parting this out. I want him to feel the shame. What are these things for, actually? I don't even know. The little hood props? What is that? I don't even know what that is, to be honest with you.
Oh.
I don't see any rust.
It's clean, man. It's real clean.
It's clean. It's clean. It's nice. It actually drives good. Like, so here's the front seat. So here are the Recaros. Everything's in great shape. It really is. The red interior is beautiful on the white S2000s. Really nice. Wow. Yeah, look, he's got the GoPro mount ready right over there. This hardtop has this this cutout here. It looks beautiful. I love that. Wow. That ass. The hardtop makes all the difference in the world on the back end. It looks beautiful. Should he part it? Should he sell it? Should he keep it? Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you like this. Like this video if you liked it as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe it'll be him parting it out. Maybe he'll be keeping it and we'll be driving it with the R8. But I'm gonna try to convince him to keep it.